Hello everybody, this is Mr. Johnson, and I'm just going to be explaining to you the activity and the practice that you'll be doing today on polynomials. Talking about even multiplicities, odd multiplicities. If they are even, they would bounce. If they have an odd multiplicity, they would cross, and what the graphs would look like. Remember a couple small details. You add up the multiplicities to get the degree, and that helps you know the end behavior, the overall big picture. Once you find the solutions, you just have to do the appropriate action at those solutions. Before you start, everyone needs to have a math name tag. So your name will be a different type of factor, and some people might be the same, except their multiplicities might be different. There are probably going to be a few people that have a multiplicity of wild. So the exponent would be a word. The word wild could mean it can be any number they want, any number that they need, or any number that they choose. So those are kind of the rare people, and sometimes they can help your group out. But the goal of this activity is to form different groups, different combinations of people together to create the polynomial with the desired end goals. So for example, I could say I want you to make a polynomial that goes up, up. And so you'll collect together with like 2 or 3 or 4 other people, or even 7 other people, and you put your names together to form your factored polynomial. So that would mean you would write out your equation, you'd have all your different factors, and in the end, if I wanted you to go up, up, your graph and your end behaviors would be up, up. It would do something like, woo, that. All right? And that's all going to depend on who is in your group and what it looks like. There are 6 questions. We're going to be pausing the video in between each question so that you have some time to move, some time to graph and fill out these characteristics. Then once things have kind of died down for that problem, we'll get some new key features to satisfy. The first thing that I would like you to do is to make a polynomial whose overall degree is 7. You could have 2 people in this group, 3 people, 4 people, however many it takes. You could have a negative in front, you could not have a negative in front. So go ahead, pause this video, take a few minutes to get together in groups and write down the information for your group. Okay, hopefully you've paused and gone through that question. The next thing that I would like you to do, I would like problem number 2, when you get all your information collected, to have an even degree, and there has to be a reflection in this one. Ready, set, go. For problem number 3, I would like you to have at least 3 different x-intercepts. You can have more, but you must have at least 3. Problem number 4. You must have a 0 that bounces. Problem number 5. I want your polynomial to have an odd degree, and you cannot have over 3 solutions. So that means you'll have less than 3 factor chunks. Last question, number 6. Your end behaviors must be up on the left and down on the right. So think up, down. What would make that type of polynomial? Hopefully with that activity you got to have a little bit of fun. You got to talk with your other group members about what makes the polynomials do certain things on your graph. After we're done with this activity, the rest of the time is for you guys to work on homework and getting that complete and finished. It is due by the end of the day. Hopefully you can get it turned in by the end of class. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you soon.